Hello, good morning students. Now today we will study about the quantum number. Quantum number are, you can write, first of all you can write the sentence. Quantum numbers describes the, quantum number describes the, you can say, describe the position and energy of the electrons. Quantum number describes the position and energy of the electrons. That is why you can say quantum number just they are like the address of the electron. Quantum number are address of the electron. Quantum number are the address of the electron. For instance, in any address you will see there is a house number, mohalla, name of the mohalla, town, city, then the name of the state, and whatsoever in the case of nation also, when the letter comes from abroad. These are the basic, you can say basic part of the address. House number, name of the mohalla, city or district, and the state. These are the main part of the address. In the same way, quantum number are the address of the electron. With the help of quantum number, we can find out the exact position of the electron, in which, and the energy level of the electron. And quantum number are the four types. Quantum number are of the four types. First one is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, then magnetic quantum number, then spin quantum number. Principal quantum number is represented by n, this is L, this is M, and it is represented by S. Azimuthal quantum number, other name of the azimuthal quantum number is subsidiary quantum number. Other name of the azimuthal is subsidiary quantum number. You can write subsidiary quantum number, and it represents principal quantum number. It represents, you can say it represents energy level, or you can say cell number, or you can say energy level. It represents the cell. And azimuthal quantum number, it represents subcell. Magnetic quantum number, it represents, magnetic quantum number represents orientation of the orbital. It represents cell, it represents subcell, and it is representing orientation of the orbital. And spin quantum number, it represents the direction of the spinning of the electron, whether the electron is moving in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. It represents the direction of spinning of electrons. It represents the direction of spinning of the electron. Whether the electron is moving in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. In a nutshell, quantum number represent the position and energy of the electron. Quantum number are address of the electron. There are 4 types of quantum number: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. Principal quantum number is representation by n. This is represented by L. It is m. It is by the s. And itself, principal quantum number represents the cell, or you can say energy level. It represents the subcell, or you can sub-energy level, like the SPD. And it represents the orientation of the orbital. It means orientation of the orbital. Electron is present in the px, py, or pz. Or you can say in the case of d orbital, electron is present in the dxy, dyz, dx square minus y square, whatsoever orbital. And it is representing the direction of the spinning of the electron. Electron is moving in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. These are the, I have told you about the, in a nutshell, general idea of the quantum number. Now, further I will tell you the number, how will you find out the quantum number. Principal quantum number represented by n. Its value is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It can never be 0. It can never be 0 because it is representing cell. Electron will represent in any cell, first cell, second cell, third cell, whatsoever. That is cannot be 0. And magnitude azimuthal quantum number, in the case of azimuthal quantum number, the value is 0 to n minus 1. Their value is 0 to n minus 1. And regarding the magnetic quantum number, value is minus L to plus L. In the case of spin quantum number, its value is minus half and plus half of each L, each value of L. I mean to say each value of L. Because electron is moving in the clockwise, then another will be in the anti-clockwise direction. Principal quantum number, magnitude of principal quantum number is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Any positive integer, it never be 0 or minus. Azimuthal quantum number, a subsidiary quantum number, magnitude will be 0 to n minus 1. In the case of magnetic quantum number, the value will be minus L to plus L. And spin quantum number will minus half to plus half of each value of L. Now we come to the value of L in the case of, now it is the case of orbital and value of L, that is the azimuthal quantum number. If the electron is present in the s orbital, azimuthal quantum number will be 0. If electron is present in the p orbital, value of L is always and always 1. If the electron is present in the d, value of L will be 2. If electron is present in the f orbital, the magnitude of the L will be 3. These are important things you have to learn in your mind, I think. It is very important for finding the quantum number, because in examination quantum number are asked for certain electron.